Hi guys, today's tutorial is going to be different from the usual sports video. I will show you how to creatively edit your sports video. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. Import the prepared videos and music into the software. Drag the videos into the video track one by one. First, add a variable speed effect to them. Select the first video, adjust the duration, and then click on the speed icon in the toolbar to enter a new interface. Choose the Fast In preset and adjust the timing of these two keyframes to ensure that the ball's speed slows down when jumping to shoot. Adjust the speed values. Click Apply and go back to the main interface. Move the playhead to this point. Find the camera icon above the preview window and click on it to take a screenshot. Import this image into the software, place it on the video track, and adjust the duration. Then select the next segment and change the speed to double in the inspector. The principles for the rest of the materials are the same. For the last material, choose multiple still frames at different time points and embed them in the video track to create a stop-motion animation feel. Visit this website. You can find a link in the description box down below. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner to complete the login. Drag your prepared image onto the web page. The background is quickly removed. Click on this button to add the details, such as erasing the basketball, which we don't need. Once satisfied with the result, click Download to save it locally. Repeat the same cutout process for another image. Now, find this icon and click on it to add several overlay tracks. Drag the first cutout image to the overlay track and perform basic edits. Click on this button, move its position in the preview window. Use shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it and paste it onto a blank track. Add its start and end times to make it appear later and disappear earlier. Adjust the position in the preview window and continue with the same edits. Finally, place the second cutout image in the timeline at a proper position. In the inspector, adjust the scale and position to align it with original material. Scroll down to enable image denoising with a slight adjustment. Click on the motion icon in the toolbar to edit the motion effects. Add a keyframe on the first frame. Adjust the size to fill the entire screen. Move the playhead forward. Move the box to the left. Add a speed curve. Generate the third keyframe to keep it still. And add a keyframe on the last frame to restore the box to its original position. Apply the adjustments. Copy it, paste it on a blank track, and use a motion editor to move these two keyframes in the opposite direction. After that, open the effects panel and add a ghost and drag effect to each part. Adjust the duration intensity in the inspector. Continue to open the transition panel. Drag a transition onto the timeline. And finally, add the music. Add its duration and apply a fade effect. That's it for the entire process. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!